Well, hello fellow crafters. Welcome back to the second part of my wedding album, Nautical Papers. The whole reason why I wanted to make a wedding album, because this is my wedding album, guys. This here. Look at that. I already have some ideas. I have 50 pictures. I want an 8x8. These pictures are kind of weird. They are 3.5 by 5. So my mats are going to be 4 by 5.5. That there is me. I was about 17. That's me at 18. 32 years ago in August. So, and these are little markers of the ones that I wanted to go ahead and scan and make them bigger if I can. That was our pastor's wife. That was me and him. And then they're all different. That is us. We didn't have a really big formal wedding. It was a wedding brought together by the church where everybody helped either one way or another. And these are two of my friends back in the day. Still talk to them. And they wore whatever they could. It didn't matter. As long as they were present, as long as the wedding happened. There's our pastor talking to us, I believe, about our wedding band. Okay, sorry about the glare. But I was saying, these kids are already old. I mean, this is 32 years old, these pictures. So these girls are pretty old now. Well, up to their 40s. That's our friend, and me and my hubby. My brother. But as you can see, these pictures were from a 35mm camera. Beautiful story. One day I'll tell you guys if you guys would like to hear the story of our wedding and how we met or anything like that. I can do that. Just comment down below, let me know. And there's me showing let me see if I can get the glare. The reception. I have probably more pictures that I would have to go through. And I'm pretty sure I have more pictures. That's us. That there is my mother-in-law. No longer with us. My mom is in here as well. She was at the front. There's my mommy, my brother, my auntie. That was after the wedding. So yeah, basically this is it. This is my wedding album that I have kept for 30-something years. Friends of the groom, my family, my brother and my mom, my mother-in-law and my father-in-law, my mommy outside. And that's it. It's not in order, so I'm going to try to get everything in order. Find some more probably on my computer. I have more pictures that I've passed from the negatives over to the pictures. So yeah, that's me. That was the year of the Olympics, I believe. So yeah, tell me what you think. Welcome back, fellow crafters. Today I'm going to go ahead and share the nautical papers that I plan to include in the album that I'm planning to make as a wedding album for myself that I shared with you on Monday. If you haven't watched that video, go ahead and watch it if you like, but you're not missing any much. If you just want to catch up on what I was going through. Today I'm just going to go ahead and get some papers out and start planning what papers I want to use for the album and which ones I don't. Sorry about the noise, that's my air conditioning. It has been very hot these last couple of days. So I just wanted to go ahead and have the room nice and cool where I'm at, but I'm hoping that you guys can hear me. I am going to go ahead and put some music as I go through the papers that I'm going through, and I'll be working with Seize the Day and the Hey Sailor stack with some other papers that I have picked out a while back. All of these papers were bought probably 7 months, 8 months, probably even a year, a couple of summers ago. So stay tuned for all that. Stay tuned for the album walkthrough as well.